Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to find duplicates in Excel 2 columns. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a data. So in this data there are some duplicates data is available. So here I'm select here the two column, the sales ID and amount, and find the duplicates value. Okay, let's start. So simply I select the column A, then I press the control key, then I select the amount column, okay, D column, okay. After that, go to the home tab. In styles group, click on the conditional formatting drop down arrow, and here the first option highlights cells rows. Then click on the duplicates value, the last option. Just click on it, and here you see the duplicates value dialog box is open. Just click on this arrow. There are two options here. If you want to highlight the duplicates values, select the first one, and if you want to highlight or find the unique values, then select the second option. Okay, so I select here the first option to find the duplicates values. Value width, you can select here the different color. So just click on this drop down arrow and select the color that you want. I select here green field with the darken text. Here you see the color is changed. After that, just click on OK, and that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, thank you so much.